Hi, today I'm making jalapeno cheddar muffins. So I'm making a 3-bean chili and I thought I would actually try these muffins. It's a recipe I've seen online. And so interestingly enough, we're going to start with Jiffy cornbread mix and alter the recipe slightly. We'll start with 2/3 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Next we'll add 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of red and orange bell pepper, as well as 1/2 of a medium-sized jalapeno. These are all going to be diced fine. And so we're going to mix all of our ingredients. I'm actually adding about 2 teaspoons of sugar, or you can add honey if you like. It's up to you. I'm adding in the peppers, stirring in the jalapenos. Oh, by the way, you definitely want to take the seeds out of the jalapeno. Adding the cheese, and then I'm going to mix all of this together. Next, you're going to add your egg and then the 1/2 cup of sour cream to this recipe, and you're just going to use a fork or a spoon and just mix this with your hand. You don't want to over mix it. And I have used foil cupcake liners for my muffin tin instead of putting them directly into the tin. It just makes it easier. You're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. When it's done, it is a savory and sweet, slightly spicy cornbread muffin. It's perfect for salads, for chili, and I'm really glad I tried it.